Hey guys, it's Crazy Good Cuber, and this is my Megaminx tutorial. JK, I don't know how to solve it. This is my Megaminx tutorial. So this is again Megaminx, and first what you want to do is scramble it. I just solved it when I was trying to scramble it. Are you kidding? What? Scrambling that. Hopefully Cuban Encoded watches this, because I know he doesn't know how to solve a Megaminx or square one. I don't know how to solve a square one. If any of you guys know how to solve a square one, tell me how to do it in the comments. I guess I didn't solve one, but that was hard. So first step on solving a Megaminx is, it's like the white cross on a 3x3, so this white and purple edge match with the purple side and bring it up to white. So you just want to do that with all the edges. And then when you get all the edges, you can work on the corners, so that's like the cross, and then you want to get all the corners. So you have to work a little bit harder on a Megaminx, then just put the corners in. So before you learn how to solve a Megaminx, I highly recommend that you learn how to solve a 3x3, or else this first part isn't going to make very much sense. And then on 3x3, if experience the closest I have, like on the 3x3, if you want to get this edge into here, you would go like that. That's like this on a Megaminx, but so this green and red, it would be like a 3x3, and then you want to just put it in like that. So like I said before you learn this, you should learn how to solve a 3x3. So just keep doing that for the second layer, and then I'll say what to do after that. Okay, so I got all of these edges in their correct places, and now we want to work on these corners. So I have a corner right here, and then you just want to find it and put it in there, and then orange is on top, so do the left side of the algorithm. So now it's in. Then this edge needs to go in there, so do that. Then you can just keep looking for corners, but you have to make sure you don't mess anything up. I know this doesn't make too much sense, but it wouldn't really be a good tutorial thing if I didn't make the Megaminx one. I probably won't be making a square one tutorial because I don't really know how to solve it. So if any of you do know how to solve it, just tell me in the comments how you learned, like off a video or a website. I learned 3x3 off of a website called youcandothecube.com. It's gotten a little worse at explaining how it's doing it in a house. So you can just keep getting it in until you get sides all the way down here. So just keep doing that. let me know down in the comments below if I should start to do like fishing videos, because I kind of like to fish. I know that's pretty boring, but or if I should do just tell me what I should do in the comments and I can tell you if I can do that or not. Okay, so looks like I'm almost done now. Just getting this last one. It's not really algorithms, it's just kind of just figuring it out, I guess. I just figured it out. So you got all these bottom sides done. Now you want to get the rest of these. So first, like on a 3x3 for a middle layer, that's what these are. So pink right here, green on top, left side algorithm. And just do that for all the edges, and then I'll tell you what to do next. Alright, so now all these edges are solved. Now we can work on it up here. So first, if you got only one edge, it doesn't really matter where you hold it. And on a 3x3, this is like that dot case, so you go, wait, I'll fix that real quick. Okay, so if you have this dot case on the 3x3, that's what it is on the Megaminx. So it'd be F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So on Megaminx, doesn't really matter where you hold it, and then go like F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And now this is like this L shape on a 3x3, so you just do that algorithm again. You want the three edges to be on your top left, and then do the algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then if you have these three edges like that, that's like the line on a 3x3. So do the same algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then you have the cross. So on 3x3, that would kind of be like the fish thing, but it's not like that on Megaminx. So you just want to look around if you have any edges. So you can just turn it. I have an edge right there. So you want to have that on your right side, and on 3x3, you would go like this: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. But on Megaminx, since it, like you can turn it 5 times, you have to go like this: R, U, R prime, U, R, U3. So not twice, but 3 times. Then R prime. And then I have none to just turn it. And then I have 2 next to each other. That's what you're gonna want. So you want to have it so it's on your right side, and do that algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U3, R prime. Then do a U, or it could just be solved. So just turn around until they're all done. So all of these edges are correct. Now you want to get permuting the corners. So here's a correct corner, and here's the correct corner. So they're like that. You want to hold it like this and go like this: L prime, U2, R, U2 prime, L, U2, R prime, U2 prime. So there's just one corner now, so you want to hold it on your right side and go like it again: L prime, U2, R, U2 prime, L, U2, R prime, U2 prime. And then they're diagonal again, so do it again. Now they're just next to each other like that. So have that on your right side and do the algorithm again: L prime, U2, R, U2 prime, L, U2, R prime, major prime. Now you just want to do that one more time, and then that will orient all your corners. So this corner is already permuted, so the corner that's permuted, you want it to be on your left side and go like this. R prime, D prime, R, D, until the gray corner is in there. R prime, D prime, R, D. Now it's in there. So what you want to do to solve the rest is just do a U move the rest of the time. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, U, R prime, D prime, R, D. Just keep doing it. And then you can just trim the top, and then it's solved. That's how to solve the Megaminx. I was gonna make a video on how to disassemble and reassemble 4x4, but I couldn't take it apart at all. Like, I even chucked it on the ground and it still didn't break at all. It's the Shang Legend 4x4. I don't get how it's not breaking. And let me know if I should make a 5x5 tutorial or a 4x4 disassembly. But this is the cube I was trying to disassemble. I just chucked it everywhere and I still couldn't get it. So it's hard. Also, go check out my previous tutorial, a 2x2x3 tutorial, and just let me know what video I should do next. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.